In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to win a bid on Stockx 2025 step by step. We'll walk through a clear process to help you spend less and win more without getting caught off guard by fees or timing. Start by heading to stockx.com and opening the item you want. On the product page, scroll to Market Data. Here, review 4 key pieces of information: last sale, highest bid, lowest ask, and the recent sales trend. Last sale shows the most recent transaction, which anchors what buyers and sellers just agreed on. Highest bid tells you what the top buyer is ready to pay right now, while lowest ask shows the cheapest active seller listing. The sales trend, whether rising or dropping, gives you momentum. Together, these tell you the real market value, so you don't overpay or bid blindly. Next, choose the right size. On StockX, different sizes often have different prices, and some sizes sell faster and cheaper. If you're flexible, consider half sizes or less popular sizes because they can close quicker and for less. Take a moment to click around the size options and compare their market data before you commit. When you're ready, place a competitive bid. Click Place Bid and enter a price that's slightly higher than the current highest bid to stand out without overspending. For example, if the highest bid is $220, try $222 to $225. Before you confirm, review the full total, item price, fees, and shipping. That final number is what matters to your budget. Confirm your bid and it will go live for sellers to accept automatically. Set the right bid duration. If the option is available, choose 30 days. A longer window gives your bid time to catch a seller when they're ready to move inventory or when the market cools. Patience often equals savings here. Monitor and adjust your bid. Check in daily. If someone outbids you, increase by a small increment rather than making a big jump. If the market is trending down, wait and let prices come to you. Don't chase the price up, let the data guide you. Timing helps. Late night in US time zones, weekdays from Monday through Thursday, and periods right after restocks or big releases often create more supply. More supply means sellers are more likely to accept lower bids. Finally, use the buy now comparison. Before raising your bid, look at the buy now price. If it's only $5 to $10 more after fees and shipping, buying now can save time and prevent a bidding war. Use that comparison to decide whether to wait or secure the pair